If she likes you, but still feels distant, this is why. Attraction starts interest. Emotional investment creates attachment. Most people chase attention. But attention alone never builds depth. If you want her to invest in you emotionally, you need to make her feel involved, not entertained. That means no games, no fake distance, no manipulation, just real psychology. Let's get into it. First, stop trying to impress her non-stop. People don't bond with perfection. They bond with reality. When you always perform, she only meets your mask. But when you're relaxed and honest, she feels safe enough to relax too. Example, instead of acting cool all night, admit you were nervous meeting her. That small honesty creates connection. Pay attention to this. Emotional investment begins when someone feels trusted, not dazzled. Second, let her contribute to your world. This is where many people fail. They give everything, they ask for nothing. But people value what they help build. If she only receives, she stays passive. Ask for her opinion. Ask for her help choosing something. Ask what she thinks about your idea. Let her energy matter. Example, I'm deciding between two plans. What would you pick? Now she's participating. Participation creates investment, not gifts. But here's the truth. People protect what they put effort into. Third, be consistent, not intense. Intensity feels exciting for a moment. Consistency feels safe for the future. Big difference. Anyone can be amazing for 3 days. Very few people stay solid for 3 months. Reply when you say you will. Show up when you promise. Keep the same energy. That builds trust slowly. And trust becomes attachment. This is where it gets interesting. Many chase butterflies, but deep feelings grow in calm environments. Fourth, let there be space. Space is not a game. Space is emotional oxygen. If you over-message, over-explain, over-pursue, there's no room for her to feel your absence, no room to wonder, no room to reach for you. Example, after a good date, don't force 6 more hours of texting. Let the moment breathe. If she misses you naturally, that feeling belongs to her. Feelings people create themselves are stronger. Remember that. Fifth, make her feel seen deeply. Not just complimented. Anyone can say, "You look beautiful." Few say, "You pretend to be strong when you're tired." Surface praise is nice. Deep recognition is unforgettable. Notice patterns in her. Notice what she doesn't say. Notice what matters to her. Then reflect it back honestly. Example, you care a lot, even when you act like you don't. That lands emotionally. Pay attention to this. People attach to those who understand them. Sixth, keep your own life strong. Emotional investment grows when she respects your direction. If your whole world becomes her, pressure replaces attraction. Stay connected to your goals. Stay connected to friends. Stay connected to purpose. Love needs space beside identity. Example, Don't cancel your life every time she texts. Healthy people value healthy people. This is where many panic. They think devotion means self-erasure. It doesn't. It means balance. Seventh, create emotional safety during conflict. This one changes everything. Anyone can be easy when things are smooth. Real bonding happens during tension. If she expresses concern, don't mock it, dismiss it, or explode. Listen first. Respond second. Example. Instead of, "You're overthinking," say, "I get why that upset you." That lowers walls instantly. Safety creates loyalty. But here's the truth. People stay where they feel emotionally safe, not where they feel constantly tested. Never forget that. So, how do you make her invest? You don't force it. You become someone easy to trust, easy to connect with, easy to miss, easy to feel safe with. No games needed, no tricks needed. Just presence, strength, and honesty. That's rare now, and rare things get valued. Deeply. If this helped you see relationships differently, subscribe and stay sharp.